Hey, what's going on, musicians? It's Brendo from Powerful Progressions, and today I'm showing you how to play Jireh by Elevation Worship. And guys, I'm really excited to share with you that I've just released my brand new course on how to learn these songs on your own without you having to look up a tutorial every time you want to learn a new song. So make sure at the end of this video you check out the link in the description box. Alright, so this song is in the key of E flat major. This song starts off with an introduction, sounds something like this. So I'll show you what I'm doing in my right hand. Again. Now I'll show you what I'm doing with my left hand. It's just going to be C. I'm doing C with the octaves in the fifth with my index finger. B flat. A flat. And then E flat. I'll show you one more time. Alright, so that's the introduction. After that, we go into the chords. Alright, so now I'm gonna play the first verse and go back and show you exactly what those chords are. So first verse. I'll never be more loved than I am right now. Wasn't holding you up, so there's nothing I can do to let you down. Doesn't take a trophy to make you proud. I'll never be more loved than I am right now. Alright, so what are those chords? In my right hand, I have a C minor 7. This is an inverted C minor 7, however, in its simplest form, looks like this. And in my left hand, I'm just playing perfect fifths, C and G. So I'll show you again. Right hand, B flat, C, E flat, G. Left hand, C, G. And then we have this chord right here. Right hand is simply B flat, D, and F. Left hand, B flat and F. So, and now here's our third chord right here. It is going to be your A flat, C, and E flat. Left hand, A flat, and E flat. So, and here's our last chord, our E flat major chord. This is our E flat major in its simplest form. I'm playing the inverted, and you can also play it lower and play it here as well. I might play both these ways throughout the tutorial. Alright, so from the beginning. Alright, cool. So let me go back to the introduction. And then verse. Boom. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the chorus. Chorus. Jireh, you are enough. Jireh, you are enough. I will be content in every circumstance. Jireh, you are enough. All right, so those chords is gonna be our B flat again, our C minor 7, and you're gonna see that I have E flat, G, and B flat in my right hand, and I have C and G in the left. If you look closely, you'll notice that it's still my C minor 7. Just moved around just a little bit. So instead of the C being here, the C is here, and I just doubled up on my G. C minor 7. So you are enough, and then our A flat, and then E flat again. All right, so then the song goes back to the verse and then the chorus again, and then they go into a part where they say, I'm already loved, I'm already chosen, I know who I am, I know what you've spoken. All right, so the chords are pretty much the same except for one part I'm going to show you. I'm already loved, I'm already chosen. You see this chord right here? In the right hand I still have my E flat major, but in my left hand I have G and E flat. So I'm already loved, I'm already chosen, I know who I am. And then they say, that is enough. So the that is enough part, that is enough. That's simply going to be G sharp, I'm sorry, A flat, to keep it consistent, A flat major, and then E flat major. And then they start to repeat, that is enough. So that is enough, that is enough, that is enough, that is enough. Okay? And then finally, the last part of the song, Chandler Moore is playing something like a lick on the higher register. Sounds something like this. And the way I'm playing that is like this. What I'm doing is first playing the A flat with my thumb, playing the B flat with my pinky, and then playing a E flat with my thumb. So I'll show you again. And then eventually, after doing that so many times, you can transition over to the lower registers and start to play it more full. And this is how you would build. And that's pretty much the entire song, for the chords at least. You're not going to need to learn any other chords. You're just going to have to be able to use your ear and apply these progressions for the correct parts throughout the entire song. It's a pretty long song. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video with somebody you know, and also don't forget to check out the link in my description box. Love you guys. God bless.